Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going on an absolutely incredible journey deep inside your own head. Why? To meet the amazing, super fast messengers that make literally everything you do, think, and feel possible. So let's dive right in.
Really think about it for a second. A ball is flying right at you. How in the world do your eyes, your brain, and your hand all work together so perfectly and so fast? It kind of feels like magic, doesn't it? But nope, it's pure science. And it all starts with some very, very special tiny messengers.
The big secret is inside these tiny messengers. And you know what? We're going to meet one right now. Everybody, say hello to Nellie the Neuron. She's going to be our personal guide on this awesome adventure through the brain.
So what exactly is a neuron? Well, a neuron, just like our friend Nellie here, is a really special kind of cell. Its main job, its only job really, is to be a messenger. It zips information and signals all through your brain and your entire body. They're the basic building blocks for everything.
Okay, so how many of these little messengers are we talking about? You might want to sit down for this. Your brain has around 86 billion of them. That is a massive, massive team of messengers all working together all the time. To really get how Nellie works her magic, we need to meet her family tree. See, a neuron has a few main parts. And if you think of it like a tree, it's super easy to remember.
Okay, first up, we've got the dendrites. Look at all these little spiky branches sticking out from Nellie. Their whole job is to listen in and catch messages that are coming from other neurons. They're basically the receivers on the team.
Next up is the soma, which is also called the cell body. If the dendrites are the branches, then the soma is the tree trunk. This is mission control. It's where the big boss, the nucleus, hangs out, making sure the whole cell stays healthy and gets its job done.
And then we have this really long part, that's the axon. So if the dendrites catch the message, the axon is what sends the message out on its journey. It's like a superhighway carrying that signal all the way to the end so it can pass it on to the next neuron waiting in line.
So, Nellie's got all her parts ready to go. But how does she actually send a message? Well, it's not like a whisper. It's more like a super fast electric shout.
And that's the big question, right? Some of these axons are crazy long. Think about the one that goes from your spine all the way down to your big toe. How on earth does a message travel that far, that fast, without just fizzling out?
The answer is a really cool electrical signal called an action potential. The absolute best way to picture it is to think of a long line of dominoes. Once the first signal is strong enough, it knocks over that first domino, which triggers the next one, and the next, and the next, creating this super fast wave that just zooms all the way down to the end of the axon.
But hold on, it gets even faster. A lot of axons, like Nellie's, are wrapped up in this special fatty coat called the myelin sheath. This isn't just for protection. It acts like a turbo booster for that electrical message.
So, how does this booster work? Well, the myelin sheath has these tiny little gaps in it, and they're called nodes of Ranvier. Instead of traveling all the way down the axon, the signal actually jumps from one gap to the next. It's just like skipping a stone across a pond. It's so much faster.
Okay, so the electric message has zoomed all the way to the end of Nellie's axon. But what happens now? Well, here's a fun surprise. Neurons don't actually touch each other. So let's see how they get that message across the gap.
This tiny little gap is called a synapse. And when I say tiny, I really mean it. This space is more than 2,000 times thinner than a single strand of your hair. So if they can't touch, how do they talk to each other?
They play a game of chemical catch. It's so cool. When that electrical signal gets to the end, it makes the neuron release these special chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. You can think of them like tiny little baseballs. They float across that synapse gap, and then they're caught by the dendrites of the very next neuron. Message delivered.
Okay, so now we know all the pieces of the puzzle. But how does it all come together in real life? Let's go back to that ball flying right at you. It's time to see how Nellie and all her friends work together as a team to help you make that amazing catch.
See, it's not just one type of neuron doing all the work here. No way. It's a whole team. There are different kinds of neurons, and each one has a very specific, very important job to do in this huge relay race of information.
First, a sensory neuron in your eye spots the ball and zaps a message straight to your brain, like ball coming in hot. Then interneurons in your brain act like the coaches. They process the message and decide, okay team, we need to catch it. Finally, they send that command down a motor neuron, which tells your hand muscles exactly what to do. Catch. See? Think act. It's a perfect play, every time.
All of this just goes to show how incredibly important it is to keep these little messengers healthy. Because, healthy neurons mean a healthy you. And it turns out your brain has this amazing superpower that scientists have only figured out pretty recently.
Now, when neurons get damaged, it can mess up that flow of messages, which, can cause some problems for our bodies. This is exactly why taking care of our brain health is one of the most important things we can do to keep everything running the way it should.
Okay, here it is. This is one of the most amazing facts about your brain. For a super long time, scientists thought you were just born with all the neurons you were ever going to get. But guess what? We now know that's not true. Your brain can actually grow brand new neurons even when you're an adult. It's a process called neurogenesis, and it proves your brain is always changing and growing right along with you.
All right, let's do a super quick recap. Number 1, neurons are your body's super fast messengers. Number 2, they've got 3 main parts: the dendrites that catch, the soma that's the boss, and the axon that sends. 3, they send electric messages called action potentials. 4, they talk across tiny gaps called synapses using little chemical messengers. And number 5, your brain uses a whole team of neurons to get the job done: sensory, interneuron, and motor.
So, as you go about your day, whether you're learning something new in school, playing a game with friends, or just laughing at a funny video, take a moment to think about that team of 86 billion messengers working nonstop just for you. So my question is, what amazing things will your neurons help you do today?